Always come to my screen, this DSY. Whenever I open a forex chart, first thing I first look out is DSY. After DSY, I look at the market structure. After the market structure, I look at price action, what price is doing in that level. So if you watch my previous video, you see where I did some of this analysis. Although I don't know what is wrong with this my trading review. Whenever I plot my level and I leave it, I comes back, everything swap out. So regardless, I'm on the DSY now, being the daily time frame. So, and today being 5th of July, what I do is I go to the monthly time frame. I go to the monthly time frame because this is a new month, and if you guys can watch, this is a level on the monthly time frame. I'm kind of unlock this thing. I'm going to do this breakdown very fast and quick. So this is a monthly time frame. What is the monthly time frames doing? We came off from here, from this level to this level. We rally down all the way here, break and retest below this level. Let me use my pattern icon. From this level to this level, we broke, retest. We're supposed to keep on heading down here, but all of a sudden this level holds it like this, and now currently we are now breaking beneath this level. We are not breaking from this level, giving me a pattern that after this consolidation around this level, finally the last month being June, we broke out. And you know what breakout means. So let me go down to the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame, look, this a touch, this a touch, this break, came back, close below, and we push down here. This a touch, this a touch, this a touch. These touches have already told me that this is a very strong support level, and doing it that this touches is happening on the weekly time frame, it means that this level will hold this market. And as long as this level hold this market, this is just what we means as break, retest, continuation to this upside. So let's talk and mush. It means that the DSY is riding up to the top, because this is a very downtrend, this is a consolidation, this is a breakout, and retest and confirmation at this level mean that we are heading above this level and this level. So that is my breakdown on the weekly time frame on the DSY. Coming down on the daily time frame, look at it, the market has already trying pulling down here, trying to retest. And if I can adjust this level towards this level, if I can adjust it here, this is the high that printed it to this lower low, and from this lower low we are now pushing it up back to this high. So I'll go ahead and I would clone the level, clone that level first to look. For me, I don't use a horizontal bar as my level. I either use a zone to cover both the bodies, the wicks, because this thing made me not to lose a trade on Euro USD last week. And I'm going to put the screenshot, the before and after of the market, and what am I saying, and I'll narrate it for you guys on how I was able to catch that level. So my bias now is to this level here right now. So let me go to my weekly, my Euro USD. I don't know guys, I don't know why I'm kind of being, I don't know if I'm on pressure doing this video or I'm in a hurry, I don't know, but let me just be calm and do it properly. So this is the monthly time frame on Euro USD, and watch something right here guys. We rallied all the way to this level. From here we have this bullish push at this level, but something surprising me is that we never came to test this monthly level. Let me use my horizontal bar. Look at it, this level, this level, and best believe we still have a high here. Mind you guys, this is on a very monthly level that I'm doing this analysis on. Why is this not coming up? Okay, we have this level around here. The market rallied from this level in here, and put this by here. The market rallied from here to here. We supposed tapped here, but I don't know, something that blocked this level here. I think it might be, I guess, okay, I guess this level around here. I guess this is the level that, and if you watched, this is the same level, hold it a little bit here before it blast all the way to this level. Even the same thing here before it blast up to this level, and he even break and came and retested below that level. So from my own perspective and the way I kind of have some experience around this market, although I've been trading for the last, I guess, 3 years or 2 years, or no, 3.5, right? So sequentially, what I have been anticipating here is that since this level could hold this market from not getting to this level, we are having a reversal back to this level. This level now indicates or decide, is the market is going to rally up back here, or is it going to keep on breaking to this level? So I go down on my daily time frame to see the structure properly and know what I'm expecting in the upper week of the market. I'm not going to touch this level, guys. You see this level, I'm not going to touch it. I would not touch it. If you see what the market did here, we broke here, we came back close here, we tapped here, and we started rolling to the upside. So now I'm going to find daily pullbacks. I'm taking my time to break this thing down. Daily pullbacks. Firstly, I pick this reversal point here. This reversal point here. Then I pick the nearest low that he created before it pushed down here. And if you can watch, this low, was something here. This low, is where I'll be picking, and I'm going to go ahead to kind of clone that level. I'm going to let me remove that one and come and clone this level around here. What is happening? Okay, I'm going to clone this level around here. Let me extend it a little bit big. This was the low that this market made. I'm not going to take this one. So, and I'm looking forward for the market to kind of pushed. I think am I missing something? I should know. If I take this one right now, okay, if I take this one now, the market have already kind of do its own thing here, and this one we are kind of keep on testing above here. We kind of keep on testing, so above here. So I'm not going to take these ones. I'm not going to take all these ones. I don't know, guys. I'm trying to come. I don't know if I'm in a hurry to do this video. I don't know, but I'm kind of be a little bit in a hurry. I don't know why. So this is the low, and I have a kind of a break of structure at this level on the 4 hours time frame. So what I'm going to do right now is to kind of have another bar here, have another bar here, have another bar here. So let me adjust it. I think this is much proper for me. So you look, there was a rally down here, there was a rally from this level to this level, and here we rallied here, consolidate a little bit here, came down a little bit here, and we broke here, meaning we have a little bit for our strong support level around this level. So if I can put my Fibonacci to get an extension, remember guys, the overall position, what we overall trading, or what we are trying to anticipate is this level below here. Alright, so if I can put a little bit of my fib around this high, as long as we keep on making lower highs and lower low, we're in a very downtrend. And this is the 0.618 where I used to take my level, and I'm going to add an extension bar again here, extension bar here again, and oh, I think I've deleted my bar here. So this is our extension bar, this is the monthly time frame bar. Alright, so I'm going to come back to push it here. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting the market to pull all the way from that level to our daily position high. Yeah, God help me, keep me concentrated in doing this video. God help me, because I don't know where I'm in a rush to, because I want to even go and buy something in the market. Maybe that is why I'm kind of in a rush, but regardless, I have to just do it. So this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting the market to keep on pushing all the way to this upside before I can now have another bias on the market. Either it's going to turn down or it's going to do that. So on the GBP USD, we go on the monthly time frame to see what price is reacting. On the monthly time frame, this is my monthly time frame. And guys, if you made it to this very point of this video, do not forget to like, subscribe and share, and comment down below, because I'll be replying you guys on my comment sections. This is just my way of impacting, my way of adding to the community. Nobody is perfect. I'm still on my journey, I'm still learning, and I keep on improving and getting better every single day of my life in this market. It is not like this in the past years, but what I notice about life is once you're consistent and persistent about something, definitely you are going to reach your goals and targets. And never forget to ask for God's grace in everything you do, for God to guide your footstep, for God to guide your day-to-day decision in the market and every aspect of life you find yourself. So this is just a little way of me trying to encourage you guys. The more I encourage you guys, I even look at myself and in my video and use it as an encouragement to myself to keep on improving. So do not forget to like, subscribe, and put on your notification bell on, so whenever I drop this kind of content every single week, you will get notified. Watch my videos, improve your own strategy. My strategy and your strategy might be different, but the end goal is to be profitable in this market and to get better and better. So let's go back to JPUSD and keep on our analysis. So on JPUSD, what am I seeing on the monthly time frame? First, I'm going to mark out a very great resistance level, being this level around. If you watch what this level did, this level was what pushed this market down here. The same thing pushed here, it came back here and blasted to the upside. So nothing much, nothing less. I mark out this level. this level around here, and I'll mark out these levels. These are the only level I need. These are the only level I need. And from this I'll mark out, you understand that GBP/USD is ranging on the higher time frame. It's not trending, it's just ranging on the higher time frame. So these are my levels, and I'm going to keep it like this, and I'm going to clone it on this monthly time frame, because this is a lower low, this is a high. The market came from here down to here, came a little bit shy, so I'm going to kind of reduce it for it to fit in towards this structure. And currently I'll be expecting GBP/USD to tank to this level. Let me go down to my daily time frame and see what the market is kind of printing. Then if I can adjust, I will definitely adjust. So I have to adjust it a little bit here for it to suit in, and mark out my lowest low being this level. If you watch my previous video, you hear where I'm kind of anticipating this market to push all to the upside. Why? Because of this level. This is the most, like, one of the dangerous level you can ever play with. So I'll go ahead and clone it right here, and delete this one, adjust it for it to fit in. That's it, for it to fit in the level. Then I'm going to mark out another level around. Should I take here? No, I will take no, I'll take here. So I'm going to go ahead to kind of do the same cloning around this level. Yep, that's it. Go ahead to shift it, for it to accommodate all this hole here. And these are the two major levels I'll be looking up to in the GBP/USD, and this is under low, but I'm just going to kind of pinch it like this. So what definitely am I looking at on GBP/USD for Monday? I am looking for something like this, for the market to come here, push here, and head down towards this level, or for the market to kind of push like this, come here, but I'll be very careful around this level. The market might decide to push to this level and start pulling to the upside, but currently I'll be kind of looking out of this level, and my main aim is this level. My main aim will be come out. Okay, that is it. That's it, guys. Okay, but I'm still contemplating on this level here, because this is a very strong level. But let's keep on moving by what the market is showing us. Then I'll now scale down on my 4 hours time frame, where I will be kind of watching for an entry. You know the funny things, guy, this market nearly tapped me out from here, and that is one thing, is that you should know where to place your stops. I'm going to put a screenshot of how I entered this trade. The market nearly tapped me out. I entered, immediately this candle closed here, immediately, and my stop was around kind of body here, but initially I was supposed to put it here, around here, but thank God that it didn't even came as stop met. It was near to my stop loss. It was near to my stop loss. So let's look forward on what the market will be doing next week around this level. So I'll be waiting for the market to kind of push down into here and head up around this level. Head up around this level. Stop losses will be around a little bit here. So this one I'm expecting on the JPUSD to do next week, and USD CHF, go on the monthly time frame, know what the market is doing. Currently I can see a level here. I can see a level around this level. Realize it. I can see a level there. Go down on the weekly time frame to see what the market is playing around. Mark out the lowest low being here. Go down on the daily time frame. This is just a top-down analysis. This is strategy I've been using for a while. So what am I looking at on the daily? I can see what the market is doing there. At that level, I'll just have to come and adjust it a little bit. Adjust it here. Adjust it for it to then delete this horizontal bar. Yeah. Then I still have another level at this level. Yes, I still have this level. I still have here. There's this worship song that is coming to my mind. You reign forever is your name. Trade is not easy though. It's not easy. You have to be calm. You have to be calm. Restructure your mind and do it properly. So what am I expecting on the USD CHF? USD CHF is kind of been a little bit confusing, but let's see if we can put a trend line here. Okay, we are still testing above this trend line. We're still testing above that trend line. Let me go back on the daily time frame though. On the daily time frame, this is still the level that is kind of holding USD CHF. So this level decide either the market is going to kind of, let me find a high above here, a high above. This is very let me take this high. Let me take that high, because this is the high that printed it down. Yeah. So let me take that high. So I'm still kind of bullish. I'm still kind of bullish on USD CHF. For my bias turn from bullish to bearish, I need this market to break this level. For it to break, retest below here and start pushing down. But currently now I'm still much bullish at the USD CHF. Very 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 bullish. Okay, I think I saw another level here. Yeah, kind of here. Kind of. Yeah. So I think I saw another level there, so I'm going to wait to see the reaction of the market around this level before I start with my long to the upside. Before I start my long bias to the upside. So but for now I'm kind of leave USD CHF. There's not much thing that the market is creating, but this is just my bias. But I'm very very careful because of this level. I'm very 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 careful. So this is all I have for you guys for this week. Gold, should I touch gold? Should I touch gold? Should I touch gold? I think I see gold heading back to this level on the daily time frame. Let me just put something like I see gold heading back to this level. I see gold heading back to this level. But for now, let's just keep on watching gold and know what he has for us. And another pair I want to give you guys, USD card. Yes, USD card is on my list. Oh, back then when I was trading USD card, look at everything was everything was looking messy in my chart those years. Let me delete it and do a simple analysis on what I'm expecting on the USD card. So with the look of these two candles can tell you that we are in a very very very, very strong bullish structure around this level. So this is just a breakout, and yeah, it's the biggest high there. Come down the weekly to see if it's kind of corresponding to what I'm doing. So I'll kind of adjust this thing to this high and go down my daily time frame to see where I can plot my significant levels. I'll take this one back here and I'll take this current high created here. I'll take this high current, I'll take there. So I'll go on to clone my level around this level. I have to delete this one and then bring it a little bit up. Then bring it a little bit up and push it back. I don't know. Push it. I'm pushing it back. Okay. So I'll duplicate it. Let me kind of duplicate it towards this high. Yeah, that's it. Let me go down the on my execution time frame before hours. As you guys can see, this is a pure breakout structure. The market has eventually broken the structure. Let me adjust it to come down a little bit. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting the market to push back into the structure before we start heading more to the upside. Before we start heading to this level. And that is it, guys. And that is it for this week. This is what I'm anticipating. This video is not financial advice, it's just for educational purpose and for you guys to join me on my process on the way I trade, and for you guys to learn. We never stop learning, no matter how where you are, no matter who you are. Learning is inevitable. You have to keep learning every single day and keep on improving in your skills. So thank you guys. This is where I'm going to be ending the video. I know you see this content very useful and educative, so do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and do your own analysis, do your own back testing. Learn. The more you can learn and improve in where you can improve on. So thank you, and I'll see you in my subsequent video. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you guys. I love you guys, and I'll see you. God bless you guys. Peace out.